This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need clarity on what you're attempting and why. Priiloader is a low-level loader people use for extra control. Once you know that, make sure you verify your console model and firmware. Do not proceed if you're unsure about risks or warranty impact. Instead, read community overviews and decide if this modification is appropriate. Once you've assessed legal and hardware implications, gather reputable resources and confirm you have a reliable, backed-up environment before exploring installation instructions elsewhere. In the middle phase, preparation is everything. Identify trustworthy guides and avoid fragmented advice. Focus on understanding each component's purpose rather than memorizing commands. This helps you troubleshoot if something differs. Once done, cross-check file names and integrity details provided by the community, and make sure you grasp rollback options if available. If any instruction seems risky or unclear, pause and ask for clarification on established forums instead of proceeding blindly. Finish by verifying the system behaves as expected and noting any changes. If something looks off, don't attempt aggressive fixes. Instead, document symptoms and consult experienced community threads or technicians. One key troubleshooting tip: prioritize safe recovery paths and professional help over risky experimental fixes. This minimizes damage. Finally, make a habit of maintaining clear backups and records of any modifications, so future troubleshooting or reversions are simpler and less likely to cause lasting harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.